What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be doing some more magic and cardistry soon, and I see that about 1,000 of you aren't subscribed. So what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Let's get it going. So today we're going to learn a simple cardistry move. This move I saw on Shin Lim's girlfriend's TikTok. So they did a live stream together, and Shin actually decided to teach a simple cardistry move. And it's super simple, and I really enjoy it. I think Ekaterina Magic has done this, but it's a simple, easy move. So I'm going to do it in slow motion first so you guys can see it, and then I'm going to go into in depth how to do it. So let's get right into it. Alright, so first things first, we're going to get a deck of cards, and what we're going to do is you're going to break off into 3 packets. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this in an elevated dealer's grip, just like so, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this hand, you're going to take your pointer finger, you're going to break off a portion, you're going to take your middle finger, sorry, you're going to break off another portion. So you have 3 packets just like so. And what you're going to do is you're going to swivel, and you're going to take that middle packet and you're going to grab it with the middle finger and the thumb of this hand. So you're going to take it, grab it like that. That is any easy way to show you guys. And then you're going to rotate this packet over, okay? And then you're going to make it come up top, but what you're actually going to do is you're going to readjust, and you want to put your thumb in there. So it's kind of, you're putting it into mechanics grip and you're just putting your thumb down, and then you're going to take this top packet and push down and push up with your thumb so it makes a triangle. Okay, so let's refresh that. So break off, swing, thumb down, up like that. Alright, and then to complete it, all you're going to do is you're going to take the pointer finger and the ring finger of this hand, you're going to pinch it, and you're going to lift. So you're just lifting like this with this, and you're going to drop this on top. It got a little messy there. You're going to pinch, drop, and then complete the drop on top. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. We're going to do some more cardistry, magic, and tons more in the near future. Plus, 2021 looks like a big touring year for me, so hopefully going to do some vlogs as well. But stay tuned and see you next time.